I'm back in Roblox.
I don't care.
Don't listen to him. I'm gonna play. Um. God. 99 nights. Louis, come here. Why? In the forest. Please. Please run away.
I'm playing right now already.
I'm sorry. Sorry, my boy.
Oh,
Hello, guys. I'm back in 99 memories. God, are there?
yun ako kay Kos.
There's so noob in this game. Oh my God. God, they're so noob. You too. And call me Axolotl Boy, please.
You are Joseph.
No! I am Axolotl Boy. Look at my shirt.
I don't care.
You are black man.
Sabi mo?
You are black man.
White man. You are cook.
You are black woman.
No, you are flower.
Oh my God! Don't follow me! Don't follow me! No! 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 Yay!
Why?
She's following me. No! 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 No!
Yes!
No! 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 No!
Nice ah.
Okay.
Ano ba? Let's join
I'm lagging.
in, bro.
Sorry, my guys.
You are
I'm lagging. Sorry.
I'm here.
Hello.
And where are you?
Oh my God! I disconnected. Are you serious? God. Brother, please join us. Please.
Join me.
No.
I'm gonna punch you.
Okay, I don't care.
Sini, Becker.
I'm back in here.
Mine. And I don't care.
Tayo. No, 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 no.
Dijoin na kay Kuya ulit.
Yeah. Exit. We exit.
Five. Five na lang. Five. Ano naman po?
Oy, ticket ka sa wall. Chippy boy! I'm gonna... Gusto mo mag-video? Hello guys! I'm so lag. Oh my God! Some cool. Ruin!
I don't know.
Chop
Nag-good
some
ako.
wood. Chop swan! No. Get some ano.
I get some wood. Dang.
I'm gonna get bunny foot for you.
If I get a one alien. Thank you, thank you. Lagay mo na yung cone.
Okay. the find.
Bunny pot. There's a cheese.
No, Bunny Pot! Are you serious?
Sana lang.
This game is hate me.
The game is hating me. Ganon.
Hindi. Mali yun. Mali yun na.
Kala ko nag-hack.
No, Bunny Pot! The game is hate me.
Thank you. Tulungan mo.
Thank you, mabay.
Tulungan mo ako magpatay ng ano. Patay ko pa. Ballpen. Yay.
No, Bunny Pot! Are you serious?
No. If I get a one bunny pot, I will be so lucky to find it. No, that's mine. That's mine. No, that's mine. Baba boy, thank you. I'm gonna kill this one. Yay. Thank you.
Hey, Bunny Pot!
No, my turn, bro. Stop.
That's mine! I have peaceful life. Drop some good axe.
This game is good suck. Good suck. Good suck.
Where are you, my boy?
Revolver.
Where are you, my boy?
I'm going to the tent.
To the tent.
Ay, punta sa my base natin.
Where are you?
I am in the base.
Where are you?
I don't know. I am the base, bro.
I find it. My God, I'm so...
I'm gonna search some.
Please fuel canister. Spare. Okay,
Saan ka? Anong meron ka?
spare.
Uy! Buti ka lang.
The first kid. Hello, my boy.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
May spawn ka na agad.
Ako sa...
May bunny pot ka na?
Yes.
Wood, heart, and lock.
Yak, kita.
Tulungan kita dyan. Saan ka ba?
Bye-bye.
Puro bitches. Wala.
That is impossible, boy.
I want a ruby chest, boy.
Thank you, my boy.
I know the muffin man. I know the muffin man. He married to the muffin man. Naka-video ko, Brad. Uy, hey! Day 2.
Drop some coal.
This is my hey. Thing. Yeah. Drop.
Fuel canister! Yay.
Yeah.
Yay.
I have now.
Thank you, my
Kukunin ko yung mga wood.
boy.
Tulungan mo ako makuha ng meat. Anong level na yan? Level 4? Yun. Kung level 4,
Level
malapit.
4 na.
Tapos malapit na mag-level 5. Aray. Level 6. Aray, mo. I will drop this in the base.
Level 4!
Ha? Level 4. Wala ko level 5. Kung level 5, hanap ko agad yung
Yes.
boxes.
Leather body. Thank you.
Yay. Yeah. I have so many energy. Yay.
I'm gonna save the Kuwalakid. Ay, Kraken.
Ihilang ako.
Okay.
Wait lang, lagay ko dito sa may base. Dito ako. Sea pickles.
Hospital.
Okay, well, this has got to be tank or something. We found the sea pickle in it thing. What does that mean? It's like the water that's like the tropical. It's like right there, it's right there. You know, these pickles are all over in there. This hut is a big crank without a plan. I knew this was good. I think it's over here. Ooh, one. Grab 8 sea pickles. I got them all, but I need more. I still, how many we got for sea pickles? I have 0 sea pickles. That's not enough for you.
Ay lang. Gano'n namatay?
Bandage ako.
Yung level 5.
Yeah, something like that.
Level
Level 5 na.
Level 4. Meron ako, giant sa Tetrade ko sa, giant. Oh, meron ako. Alpha Wolf. Alpha Wolf. Yay, baby.
Dito may
Ilot mo na yung
Ano?
yung gun.
Ilot?
May gun kasi dun eh.
Saan? Sa ano?
Malapit sa, gawa lang ako.
Lang, patayin ko lang. Headshot! Boom! Boom! Papa. I gonna get some money. Tomorrow I will trade.
No.
What?
Stop right there.
Why?
Gun shop yun.
Lang.
Tahan ko na nga. Ako na lang maglulot.
Sige.
Ayaw mo eh.
Sa'yo na lang yung barrel ko kung gusto mo.
No.
Okay.
May rifle dun.
Akin na lang.
No! No.
Nako,
I have a bandage.
I have a spear. I'm ready to...
Oh my God! Please help me!
Tulungan mo ako naman! Help me next.
No!
Run! Run! Run, boy! Run! Run!
Hospital!
Ba't hospital? Bunta tayo sa
You're
base.
safe in here!
I'm gonna go to the base doon.
Safe in here, you dummy.
Sumbong kita.
Ano yung dumb?
Walang brain.
Hindi naman.
Hindi marunong.
Ano siya?
Hindi marunong.
Tawag doon.
Hindi marunong.
Hindi matalino.
Nerd
siya, nerd. Hindi matalino. Tingnan mo, oh!
Yay, it's morning time.
Thank you.
I'm gonna find a gold chest already.
This is looted, my boy.
Please, please.
Oh my God. I have a giant sack! Oh my God! Oh my God.
First, I'm gonna
nothing
find
to
a
say.
ruby chest. Please, just a ruby chest? No. Please! A gold chest up there.
Kuhanin mo yung yun. Level 4.
Parang level 5 na to ah.
Hindi.
Yung volume.
Hindi. Ano lang yun?
Ano?
Ganyan lang talaga. Dati nga, akala namin bear. Kita ko na yung Kraken kit.
Thank you for the alpha wallpen. Ball trader nandyan.
May giant sack na kami. Sabi mo ayaw mo eh. Please help.
Saan? Dyan? Okay. Okidoki. Okay na?
No.
You need a revolver. Yun. What are you anyway though?
Yay!
My gold chest! My gold chest!
Talaga.
Talaga. Tingnan mo pa sa map. I'm going there. I'm going there. I'm not. I need some gold chest.
Okay.
Please, I have a strong axe. I have good luck. Nahanap lang ba nila or nakita ko lang?
Baka nahanap nila. Revolver again.
That's good.
No.
Yeah, boy. A good tasty. Please give me a strong axe. Please give me a strong axe.
I found the anvil.
Strong axe! Oh yeah, boy.
Yes! 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 Gold! Yes! 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 Gold! Yes! 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 Gold! Yes!
Please be quiet.
I don't care. Giant sock. Oh my god.
Ako
Oh
buti.
my.
Maganda sa akin.
Hindi.
Strong axe.
Hindi. Rifle.
Patayin ko to.
Leather body, Rui.
Thank you. Tape. Thank you. Let's find some more loot.
This one! And fuel canister. Thank you.
I'm gonna heal myself, no? Let's go in the base. Or maybe here.
No. I have giant sack.
I have no giant stuff. I have a strong axe.
Rifle.
I'm scared.
Rui. How? Rifle.
One ammo lang to. May ano yun? Help! Help! Help me, please.
No.
Okay, you're gonna die there. I'm going back to my base. I'm gonna eat. Tara sa base. Hindi na pala.
Teka lang.
Sino umutot?
Baho naman nun!
Hindi ako naman umutot.
Si Kuya lang umutot eh. Kuya, baho ng utot mo! Wala. Baho.
Buti lang. Tenenen. Give me some meat.
I have this.
You have some food? No.
Get out them.
I'm gonna find some rabbit meat. Yeah. Oo nga pala, meron na ako ng alpha wolfen.
Ala yung trader.
Basura, no?
Kapag umuulan. Day turn pa yun.
Dayton. Ano yan? Ano yan? Pakain lang ako ng mga berries. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Thank you, mind. May kick. Open the door.
Level 5!
Yun! Yeah, baby.
Kid.
I am here. Bandage again.
Please.
What?
Kid. Ito ka. Wait.
Dito ako. Middle of the nowhere. Middle of the nowhere ako. Saan ka? Sa lava bayo?
No.
Ayun yung lava bayo mo. Papunta ako kay Squid Kid. Takot ako. Malapit na tayo. Takot naman ako sa next thing. May mga bear. Baka may robots. may Rubik's Yes, nahanap ako. Dahan-dahan lang ako. Tatago ako.
Gorgeous.
Ha? Gorgeous. Gorgeous?
Gorgeous.
Ano na nakita ang gorgeous dito? Rubik's Yes yung namabas dyan, no? Diba?
Dito meron dalawa.
Strong flashlight. Takbo na, boy!
Bakit ako?
Hindi ako. Sabi ko yung sarili ko. Anyway, saan ka ba? Hindi. Ayun, kita ko. Ano?
Akin yung Rubik's.
Kapag walang Rubik's.
Uy!
Gold system yung doon.
Yay!
Yeah.
Kuya ko dyan.
Tingnan ko lang kung may Rubik's. Gold chest lang. Okay. I gonna still open it. Strong flashlight.
Me too.
Let's go outside and get the meat.
This,
Kailangan ko ng meat. Kakainin ko parurain meat.
isang axe! Yes!
Strong axe.
Yes. You want giant sack?
Wait. Where, bro?
Near.
Put. Well, teka, may strong axe. Ako na unang pa naman.
May giant sack muna.
Wait.
Medkit. Ito din. Diba?
Hindi pa ako naka-open.
Open mo din yung ano. Ako ka-pro natin.
Iron!
Iron body.
Body.
I don't care. Ito naman, oh. Oh my God. Ako na bahala. Oh my God!
Ako na ang magbahala nito. Ito na.
Thank you, my boy.
I'm hungry anyways. I'm gonna eat some food. There. Pwede i-heal ko yung sarili ko.
Okay.
Yay.
I have medkit. Don't worry.
I'm gonna open this gold chest. Please, I have 8.
Oh my God!
Run! Run! Sprint, bro! Sprint!
Blah, blah. Ta-da-da! I'm gonna distract the deer.
I don't care about the two things. Okay? The two people has died is okay to my brain.
Run away! If you can! Run away! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Punta ako sa lava biome.
Oh my. Dito sila namatay! Talaga?
Ha?
Eh?
Noob lang ata sila.
Ito lang yung namatay sila.
Wawa. Yan.
Bato mo sa lava.
Bebed.
Apaka!
Sana lang. Sana lang.
Ano to? Oh my God! My God!
Dito may chest.
Chest. I don't care.
Please, a ruby chest. No. I hate it. It's not a ruby chest. If I found a ruby chest, I give the chest to you. You want?
Yes.
Oh my God! Not again! Oh my God, I forgot. I have full sack. I very sneaky, bababoy. Thank you. Gold chest! Kala ko gold chest. Oh yeah, boy. Mas malakas. Umuulan?
No. Yes.
Parang umuulan. Hindi umuulan sa akin eh. May oil barrel ako. Di sumalakay sa sack mo?
No.
Saan ka ba?
Lag dito sa trees. Another gold chest! Are you serious?
Ah!
Run
Just
away,
die,
bro.
man.
Yes! 2 oil barrels.
Lagay ko sa campfire.
Okay, I'm gonna find more.
Please, you can find some food. I'm so hungry. I'm not gonna sprint for one time. I will crash out if I die. That's okay, but you have a medkit, right?
What?
May medkit ka.
Ginawa mo? Kumain nga na eh. Explored na pala.
Explored. Lakad na ako sa base.
Good suck again. Tire. And microwave. Iron barrel again! Thank you!
Bawal kayo mag-live. Bawal.
Wait lang. Kapag nag-level 6.
Buti lang, may iron ako.
Kung malapit na to eh, may 3 kaming oil barrel.
Kupa, sayang ng buhay ko.
Okay.
Titry ko sana yung
Yung belt.
kakasuran.
Giant sack!
Akin na lang.
Okay.
Last kid has missing. The ram has woke up.
You're lucky, my boy.
We are lucky.
You're lucky. You are lucky.
Ugly.
I got hungry! Please revive me!
I have no bandage.
I have...
Ilan yung medkit mo?
1.
Oh my god.
Dun-dun-dun!
Just eat. That's some food.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, my boy.
Just seal yourself.
Kunin mo na yun.
Alin?
Your giant sack.
Ay. Thank you, my boy.
Bato na natin to.
Meron ako
Bye-bye.
focus agad.
Uy!
Huwag natin batuin yan. Kailangan ko.
Uy! Iba to na. Ay.
Wait lang. Tenenen.
Iba ni putan to. Ay, place mo na yung oil barrel. Putik na! 78 na!
Easy lang sa akin yan.
Muntik na! Kuha na tayo ng ano.
Ako naman wait lang. Sige. Yeah. Yan.
Woods!
Ay, sana. Hindi mo mag-hallelujah yan. Hallelujah.
Hindi, isa pa nga.
Mag-zoom out ka. Zoom out. Yan. Tapos, close.
Asan na? Nandun sa ano.
Chachap ako ng big tree. Ng big tasty tree.
Tulong tayo mag-live. Di pa kasi ano eh, nasa-save yung kraken.
Cracker.
Ay, yung koala. Kapag na-save na namin.
Akin na ng bitches.
No!
Akin!
No!
Akin! Akin!
No! Ako lang nagsasave ng mga kita eh!
Eh, di tulungan kita!
Yung Dino Kid, yung Kraken Kid, yung Squid Kid, ako lang.
Walang nagkukuha din ng wood.
Ako din.
Kukuha ng wood. I don't care.
85% are serious.
I have some wood. Tanananan, tanananan, tanananan. Ah.
Please help me, my bro!
Okay. Dali lang to.
Yay!
4 lang yung logs.
Ako 8.
Sabi mo sa mga pala. Opo. Diyan nga, bigla kayo.
92!
Ha?
Oh yeah.
Kuya kasi, hindi mo na kasi sinasabi eh.
Bang, ito ba yung binili niyo?
Opo.
Bang saan? Sino nagbo?
Mama!
Iyo.
94 yung ano, yung percent sa may
Dito,
kampayan.
dito.
Ano kung hindi ikaw?
Sige.
Ay, na, iyo dyan.
7. Tara. Kapag namatay ka, i-heal kita ng medkit. 97.
Please revive me.
Okay. Oh. What is that?
D16 lang magle-level 5.
Ha? Day 16 magle-level 6.
Oo.
Dito, chop tayo dito.
Leave tayo?
Sige.
Ulit tayo kasi medyo ano tayo eh, medyo low. 97
Tignan nga mo full ever strong ah.
na.
Tara na kay Aryo. Kay 2 at 769. Hallelujah! Hallelujah!
Pagka-swimming namin, ano?
Kapag 100 days, perfect lang sa atin yun.
Yes.
Yeah!
No! I don't like you.
I don't like you, noobs. Talo!
Tatlo na lang tayo.
3.
Punta ka dito.
Okay na.
Yay!
Mag-level 6 na naman tayo. First time lang tayo. Parang kanina pa tayo lang na 99 likes.
No, isang araw, yung 2025, inabutan tayo ng 205. Ikaw, 163. Masaya tayo, di ba?
Uy, may gold dito. Perfect lang sa akin. Nalalag kayo? May iron na agad swerte. Bahal muna tayo mag-
So, okay guys! Peace out!